Welcome back to another video, and I have a special guest. His name is Lance. He is one of my best friends in real life. Like, we're playing together now. Yo, Lance, you want to say hi to them?
Hi.
See, that's a... well, Lance, are you in the group? Like, in this group?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Did you get the royal jelly up on top of the shop?
Oh no.
You don't know? Oh my god. Yeah, I did. Why are you asking?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Show me.
Duh.
Oh.
Come on, Lance. Follow me.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hola. I know a lot of secrets in this game. Over here.
Coming.
Go behind this. Bye.
Whoa, this is cool.
I hope you die.
Oh, what?
It's a parkour. I was right.
Hi, about MJ 0 subscribers.
I'm sad. I died. What do you want? Yeah, don't do it.
Ow.
Oh my god.
Why would you punch him, Evan?
I didn't. I didn't even hit him.
Don't touch me.
This is gonna be cringy because I'm recording a video. Yeah, Ate Louise, why do you keep doing that to me? Okay, Lance, where are you? Oh god. Sorry for the lag, guys.
What was last time? I hate you.
Yo, Lance. Oh, you want to buy more bees?
Yeah.
Go buy more bees. Because I want to go to the 5B zone with you. Bruh. Ta-da. No. Yay. Okay, how much ticks do I have? I'm sad. I got some jelly. I'm joking. Yo, Lance, did you get the new code?
No.
Oh, that's sad. There's the code that gives you a silver egg. What are you saving up for? Lance, what are you saving up? An egg? I'm saving up for a parachute.
Ooh.
That's why I can get more secret royal jelly stuff. Come on, beast. Attack him. Don't let me die. What?
After can we watch the video?
What?
After can we watch this video?
What?
After can we watch this video?
Yes. I can't believe we're whispering.
Well, it's because I want to hear.
I am almost there.
And if you're watching, go add me in my Instagram, lance.vvv.
Okay. Me.
Nasa una yung bear. Yung bear
recording. I'm recording. No, show me when you want what you want. I have no friends except my friend. Sorry. She said, "Do you love me?" I only tell her I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, 50 dub. I even got it tatted on me. 81.
Yeah, add me on my Instagram, lance.vv. Well, lance.vvv with 3 V's.
Hey, Lance!
Yes.
gotta sit you.
How do I go to the cannon?
You just go to the
You have
cannon.
to.
Run, shush! We're recording a flippin' video.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
What?
It's just my brother.
Just a really annoying brother.
Mm-hmm.
I Grant.
Run, shh!
I mean,
Don't tell me.
yes.
Okay, then I'll punch you in the
I-
face if you
or
don't
I'll-
stop.
Well, that's it for this video. Just kidding.
No, not yet.
When?
Wait, never mind.
When? She said, "Do you love me?"
Me, I
Tell
only
her
partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. 50 dub. I even got it tatted on me.
You should do a
81.
face reveal.
I don't want to do a face reveal.
When are you gonna do a face reveal?
I think I already showed them my face in one of the
But
But-
video.
yeah, the butt video.
Just show them your face again. Come on.
No.
I got 89 honey. Cause I'm a beautiful honey bunny.
You're right.
Wait.
When is this?
No, you're not going on there. If you go on there, I will kick your butty.
I will punch your head off.
Run,
Run, shush!
Oh,
Only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. 50 dub. I even got it tatted on me. 81. Helping the crashers do the party. Yeah, you know me. I'll turn the 02 and 03. Bro, what are you doing?
Wait.
Okay, wait.
Go to your beehive. Let's do the outro in your beehive.
I know. We're going to say thank you for watching this video at the same time.
Okay, you guys.
That's it for today's video.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for so much. He's a loner. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bye
Yeah,
guys.
bye.
See you in
See
the
you next
next
video.